In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Find and Replace feature in Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, this document contains several text objects. Go to the Edit menu and click Find and Replace. In the Find box, type the word you want to search for. For this example, I will type world, then click Find. Illustrator instantly locate the matching text. Now in the Replace box, type the new word. I will enter planet. Then click Replace. And just like that, word is replaced with planet. You can repeat the same step to quickly find and replace any word throughout your Illustrator document. That's how easy it is to edit text using the Find and Replace feature in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.